You may remember that we had decided on Tuesday that on the receipt of communication from Mr. President in respect to transmission of the MTEF, that the Senate will adjourn and would not have sat yesterday and of course today. But yesterday we couldn't receive a document, and it was agreed, as I said earlier, that on receipt of the document we are going to refer that to the Committee on Finance to begin work on it, and the Committee on Finance and of course the Foreign Affairs Committee will then be fully engaged. The Foreign Affairs will have been, of course is engaged now, screening the ambassadorial nominees, and of course the Committee on Finance will have started the consideration or working, will have started work, of course, on the MTEF. But the communication did not come to us yesterday, but it has just been received, it has just been brought right now. So the moment it is read, it will be referred to the committee so that the committee can go and begin work immediately. And we've decided to adjourn it today in order to receive the document. So once the document is read, we'll now adjourn so that those in Foreign Affairs Committee will continue with their work in respect of screening of ambassadorial nominees, while members of the Committee on Finance will immediately go and start work on the MTEF. So I read the communication of Mr. President, and thereafter the Senate President will, the leader will move the motion for adjournment. I read, Distinguished Senate President, submission of the FGN 2026 to 2028 medium-term expenditure framework and fiscal strategy paper. It is with pleasure that I forward the 2026-2028 medium-term expenditure framework and fiscal strategy paper, MTEF and FSP, for the kind consideration and approval of the distinguished Senate. The 2026-2028 MTEF and FSP was approved during the Federal Executive Council meeting of December 3rd, 2025. As the 2026 budget of the federal government will be prepared based on the parameters and fiscal assumptions of the approved 2026-2028 MTEF and FSP, I seek the cooperation of the National Assembly for expeditious legislative action on this submission. Please accept, distinguished Senate President and distinguished senators, the assurances of my highest consideration. Yours sincerely, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, President, Federal Republic of Nigeria.
I rise to move that we step down items on the order paper to enable members of the Senate Committee on Foreign Affairs proceed to continue with the screening of the ambassadorial nominees who are waiting, and that this Senate be now adjourned till Tuesday, the 17th of December, 2025. Tuesday, 16th of December, 2025 at 11 a.m. prompt. I so move.
Minority Leader. Chief Whip, please maintain order. Maintain order.
Resume your seats.
On the motion, moved by the leader of the Senate for adjournment, let me quickly read an announcement. Minority leader, you brought an announcement and you are not attentive. Notice of inaugural meeting. I have been directed by the chairman, Senate Ad hoc Committee on the sale of Lafarge, Cement PLC, Distinguished Senator Abamoro, on the inaugural meeting of the committee scheduled as follows. Date, Thursday, 11th day of December 2025. Time, 2 p.m. prompt. Venue, Senate Meeting Room 4.24. New Senate Building, National Assembly Complex, Abuja. Distinguished sir, your presence at the meeting will make a significant impact in the legislative process of the committee. While anticipating your presence, please accept the assurances of the chairman's esteemed regards. Abba Emmanuel Sunday. Well, he's not supposed to write announcement to us. It should be the chairman. Chairman, Distinguished Senator Abamoro. So tell your clerk, he shouldn't send communication to be announced here. It's only the president and distinguished senators that can send announcement to be made on the floor of the Senate. This is secret chamber. Now move for second motion for adjournment.
Distinguished colleagues, I want to second the motion that all items on the other paper be stepped down for the next legislative day, and second the motion that the Senate adjourns till Tuesday, 16th of December to continue further legislative activities at plenary. I so second.
For adjournment, say aye. Those against, say nay. The Senate. Okay. Those in favor say aye. Those against say nay. The ayes have it. 16th of December 2027 at 11 a.m. prompt.
Malia. Yes, yes. The great leader.
Report will come very soon.
You why now? You no go now. Say go now. But you post in front of me now.